Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Canon F166 400 printer driver in Windows 11. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to open our browser, and then on the search bar, just search for this one right here. So once you type it, all you have to do is to click on enter. And then after that, just scroll down until you see this website, which is right here. So just click on this part. Now, make sure that this is the driver that you want to download. So once you have confirmed it, just click on download button right here, and then just wait for this to finish. Now, once it is finished, what we're going to do next is to click on open file, and then let's wait for this to finish once again. And then once it is done, let's go back here on our home, and then open File Explorer, and then go here on the downloads, and then look for this file right here. Now, what we're going to do is to drag this into our desktop. So this is what it's going to look like. So if you open it, this is what it have. Now, on the search bar, we're going to search for printers. And then after that, just click add a printer or scanner. After that, click on add device. After that, wait for this to pop up. So just click on add a new device manually. And then what we're going to do is to click add a local printer or network. After that, click on next. And then for the existing port, just click on this and then look for any USB file that you would see right here. However, I don't have that, so let's just use this as an example. So let's do this. And then just click on next. And then in this part, just look for the manufacturer of your printer. So let's say, for example, it is HP. So look for HP right there. And then in this part, just look for have disk. And then click on browse. And then in this part, we're going to go here on the desktop and then go back into the file that we have just extracted earlier. And then click here the XPS folder. Click this folder again and then click on driver. And then click this file, which is CNNX0. So double click on that and then click on OK. After doing that, just click on next. And then on the printer name, it's up to you if you want. Now, while we're currently waiting, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. After that, in the printer sharing, it's up to you. This is optional, so if you want to share it, just click this. If you don't want to share it, just click this, and then click on next. After that, if you want to print a test page, you can do that, but I will just leave it as it is. So that is basically it, and that is how easy it is.